study day, but I forgot my backpack. I don't have any homework to work on. I was just worried about looking pretty.
Look at her. Looks so good.
We're buying parking right now. Look at this top.
What?
I recently thrifted it, and I also recently thrifted this pink purse. We went to the cafe, and it was packed.
There's too many people.
Yeah,
Blew
so
up on TikTok. So.
we're trying to find another spot because there was like no seats inside or anything. We found a coffee shop across from the one we were supposed to go to. It's more bigger in here, and we have like this whole space to ourselves. We're like in a little corner right now. It says they have authentic Arabic coffee, so you want to try that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
The weather today is like super nice.
It hasn't been like this in a while.
I know. I'm so excited. It's so sunny out.
Ooh, I just feel it.
This hits.
This one's good too.
I don't have homework to do. We're at our next location. We have to pay for parking again. This is why I don't like city life. You gotta pay the parking everywhere you go. We got in for free.
They said their power was down, so they couldn't bring us up our tickets, so we got it for free.
My favorite season is spring. It's springing right now.
What are you doing? Guys, take your girlfriend. Take your girlfriend to a botanical garden.
Hoax.
Hey, don't touch it then.
It's a workout, guys. We gotta go uphill. Let's go.
What the hell? I don't know who this is.
Woo! I'm feeling myself today. The sun got me feeling different. Wimboe, in the jungle, the mighty jungle. The lions sleep tonight. It's currently 4:30 and the garden closes at 5 p.m. so we have to leave soon. But we were able to explore the whole thing. I'm gonna take Noah's Instagram pictures. Working girl. I am so hungry now. We don't know what to eat yet. We're gonna like search up some food spots. Y'all, look how pretty it looks in here. Hold on.
Look at this.
Got a spicy pork belly bento box. This is the miso soup. That is the best miso soup ever.
Got the palace rice cakes. Comes with beef and lots of vegetables.
I'm gonna show you guys my lip combo today. ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Chain Reaction. Fenty Heat Gloss Bomb in the shade Cherry Bomb. up the lip liner between the chairs. And this is the finished lip combo.
So good, huh?
Yeah, the sunset is hitting right now. We're at Bayfront Park to watch the sunset. I'm gonna be doing my hair right now. While I do my hair, I'm gonna tell you guys what my plan is for today. So I don't have school today. I usually have school on Tuesday and Thursdays, but they canceled school for Wednesday and Thursday, which is today. So I decided to use this day to run some errands that I've been procrastinating on. I have to make a return at Ulta, and then I'm gonna drop off Mallory's birthday gift. I have to get gas. I'm just going on a date by myself, I guess. I decided to hide my bangs because it was not looking cute. This is the finished hairstyle. I think it turned out really cute. I don't know how it looks like in the back. It might be uneven, but I don't care because I don't look at the back of my head. I'm gonna drive to Mallory's house right now to drop off her gift. Ooh, I'm so excited. Birthday girl!
This is the birthday fit.
The birthday fit!
Don't play with me. Oh my god, your camera's hella cute.
Thank you! Your lashes look hella cute. But
Oh my god!
yeah!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Little
Actually,
bodysuit!
no. Oh my god! Oh my god! I have a new everything.
When I got this one, I was like, bitch, you got lash extensions?
No, this is literally perfect because after this, I'm not gonna get any more.
Oh, okay.
Because I need to save money, so this is literally perfect.
So I just got gas by myself for the first time, and I was low-key scared. I was just really paranoid. I did like all the steps that you're supposed to do. I locked the doors. I was checking around my surroundings. I was even holding my pepper spray in my hand just in case. I was literally like this. When I get gas, I'm usually with someone or my boyfriend does it for me. But I really needed to get it because I was like on E and I still have to go places. It was okay. Nothing happened. Thankfully, there's people there. It's just me being paranoid because I am a girl. So right now, I'm at the UPS because I have to drop off some packages. I have 4 to drop off. I'm gonna do that right now. It literally takes like 1 minute to drop it off. There is no pink car stuff. I'm at Noah's Worth now. I got myself some dog bites with cheese sauce. Got me a shari matcha latte. He made it. Who is this barista? Guess who's on his break?
This was a mess up. I messed up the drink, so I just took it.
I did my return at Ulta, and I was just looking for like home decor, and I didn't find anything. Probably gonna end my date early though. Hey, so you look good right now.
Thanks.
Hey girl, are you happy to see me? I made it back home. Guess who is here? She is waiting for her ride. Someone tell her to get her license.
I'm getting my permit and license right now.
Hello everyone. We're at Cascade Falls to go on a little hike. The weather is super nice today. It's very warm and it's sunny out today too. It looks like we're in Twilight right now.
Like Twilight.
We bought some wraps from Walmart. Wow, it's so beautiful. Ow! There's a freaking spider. We're gonna eat a chicken wrap. the view.
I'm taking over the vlog. Mara's in the car. She's tired. Iced vanilla latte. It's good. I'm so bad at this.
Hey guys, we're at the mall right now. This is our first time coming here though.
But we went to their other event in May.
Outdoor, right?
Yeah. I got
Y'all like her cinnamon?
picking out some rings.
Like, this one's cute.
I found $16
Her. Guys, look how cute this rug is.
I know, I wish they had a gold plated one.
She's getting this necklace.
It's a Filipino sun.
It's real jade too. It's hecka cute. You gotta let me borrow that. She actually got a different design.
I can make it like shorter or longer.
What do you guys think about this event?
They have good pricing.
Good pricing? Are you sure about that?
I didn't buy anything because I didn't really see much. She treated me today.
Because she gives me rights.
As she should. Yep. She treated the Uber driver. I'm back home. I can finally eat my Chipotle.